A line of showers and thunderstorms is moving in from the west this Thursday evening as a cold front pushes south. Saw one thunderstorm form ahead of the main line in the Key City earlier this evening. This storm previously had a tornado warning on it. Currently, no tornado warning. There is a severe thunderstorm warning that includes Coleman and Runnels County. Mostly the threats in Runnels County at this point for large hail, potentially up to golf ball size, and some very strong winds. You see those bright red colors. That's for some wind gusts potentially up to 60 to 70 miles an hour. So if you live in Ballinger, Hatchell, Winters, Talpa, just want you to wait out this thunderstorm. It looks like the hail sizes may be decreasing with this thunderstorm than how intense it was looking maybe 5 or 10 minutes ago. Still, just want you to wait out the storm. Second severe thunderstorm warning in Sterling County. You notice that kind of backward C shape as it's moving into Coke County. That's indicative of some gusty winds, potentially up to 70 miles an hour. You see those bright greens just to the north of Sterling City. That is likely where we have the strongest winds. When we see these lines of thunderstorms, that's typically the highest threat, is those gusty straight line winds. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch. That means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorm development until 11 p.m. tonight. And to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if they extended it past midnight. At this point, though, it goes until 11 p.m. from San Saba, Brady, up north towards Albany, and westward towards the Permian Basin, Crockett County, San Angelo, and Abilene, all included in the severe thunderstorm watch. By midnight, that line of storms looks to be entering eastern portions of our area. Compare what the computer model is showing to what we're actually seeing in reality, though. It may be a little bit later we see that line of storms exit our area. By Friday morning, though, we're going to be in the clear. Maybe some leftover showers in southeastern portions of the Concho Valley. Certainly not a slam dunk, though. By Friday evening, it's going to feel great behind the cold front. Highs in the upper 70s, lower 80s. We'll have some cloud cover around. But by Saturday, we'll have a ridge of high pressure building over the Concho Valley. That'll diminish those rain chances. Still can't completely rule it out, though. And we'll be warming up Saturday, and a big flash of lightning on our Abilene sky tracker. This is pointed towards the south, and as of now, there are no severe warnings for Abilene. You can see that rain-cooled air, though. Check it out, 74 in Abilene, 63 in Snyder. Once that line of storms moves through your area, once the cold front moves through, your severe threat is over. So I'm not concerned really from Snyder westward. 84 in Big Lake in San Angelo, where that line of storms will be moving in soon. If you need to mow your grass after all the rain, maybe Friday morning is not the best time to do it if you live in southeastern portions of the Concho Valley. But for the big country, those temperatures are going to be pleasant in the mid-60s. Highs tomorrow, upper 70s, lower 80s, officially going with a high of 79. No weather impact alerts in effect tomorrow or Saturday thanks to a low severe threat. Might be monitoring some severe threats to begin the month of June. Overall, I think better chances, higher chances for severe weather going to be further to the north. We're keeping an eye on it though. Bert?